Autocraft Collision Repair Specialist of Paso Robles, California. Known as a premier locally owned auto body shop offering collision repair, frame straightening, testing, and structural fixes. Body and paint, bumper repair, dent removal, scratch fixes, and precision color matching, glass replacement, and installation. We offer customized lift kits, specialty wheels, and accessories. Walk-in estimates and appointments are welcome. If you're looking for top quality auto body, then Autocraft Collision Repair Specialist is just for you. Come see one of our customer service specialists today.